Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to upgrade that basic wall adapter to be something that you can get a whole lot more use of. And so what we're featuring today is an adapter by a company called PowerURI, and you can pick this up off of Amazon. We will leave links for you down below. Now this comes in several colors. It comes in white, gray, and black. And so this adapter is a 9-in-1 device, so it's going to change those two outlets to be 9 different outlets that you can use. And so this works out great if you have a family of 4 and you have a whole lot of devices that you want to charge. And so with that being said, let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. And again, as you notice, the outside of it is just a basic round box. It has a picture of the adapter and not a whole lot more information on it. But opening it up, we'll find out what it looks like, and then we can see what it can really do. So we're going to set that box over to the side here. First thing you see after getting it open is it's inside a plastic bag, and then we have some information here. So be sure to look over the instructions and read them carefully. And inside the plastic bag here is the wall adapter. And this is a very nice looking device. Again, like we said, it's by a company called PowerURI. So it's going to change that basic 2-prong adapter, wall adapter, to be a 9-in-1. And so when we say 9-in-1, we have, so the 2 plugs, we have 5. We got 2 on the side here, 1, 2, 1 in the very front, and then 2 more on the sides. And then additionally, we have some USBs up front. We got USB-Cs here, and 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As. And so this looks like it's going to turn out to be a pretty good thing to upgrade our wall outlet. Now we're going to get it all set up real quick, and I want to show you there's an additional feature that you probably wouldn't be expecting. So as you can see, we got it all set up here. It's basically just a plug and play. You just plug the adapter into one of the wall outlets, and like we said, it will enhance the wall outlet. Now, instead of having just 2 plugs, you have 5, which is 2 on the side here, 1 in the very front, and then these 2 sides here. And then the additional features are the 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As. And so you can end up plugging up 9 different devices. So in my house, we have, everyone has a laptop, everyone has a cell phone, some people got earbuds, and so this is kind of like an area in the kitchen where everybody leaves their devices. And so instead of just having those 2 plugs, now we have 9. And it's a very, very nice looking device. Like we said too, it comes in white, it comes in gray, and it comes in black. And so my walls are actually white. And so this white one comes in very handy. Now the extra feature I wanted to show you is that it has a light on it. So if you tap this right up here, there's a light that comes on. So this is a very nice addition to your wall, and it will definitely come in handy. So that's it for our video for today, how to upgrade your basic wall outlet. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.